In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn crypto with Brave Browser. Open Brave Browser, click on the three lines at the top right corner and go to Settings. Click on Brave Rewards. This takes you to the Brave Rewards page and shows you how to manage them. Make sure you turn on both new page ads and notification ads to receive the ads that you get paid for in crypto. You can also choose how many ads you receive per hour, and I've chosen the most, which is max 10 per hour. This is my ad history for the past 30 days, the ads I've been receiving from Brave Browser. To be able to withdraw, you'll need to connect your account. Click on Connect Account and choose an account provider. Gemini or Uphold. You can choose whichever you want. Gemini is not available in my region, so I chose Uphold. I have an Uphold account, but I can't connect to it because I haven't verified it. So basically, that's how you earn crypto with Brave Browser. The ads will show up here on the notifications side of your desktop. You just make sure that your Brave Browser is running, the ads are turned on, and you select the most ads per hour to maximize earnings. That's it for the video, and thank you for watching.